Hi chat, welcome back to another video. A little bit change of scenery. We are in my bedroom, but we have a new mod in this box. A little something from Sparko. You got something from Madtrace right there? Looks like, right? I think so. Oh snap! Let him know, chat. Let him know. Track car, baby.
Stop it. Get some help.
Let's get this steering wheel unboxed, screwed onto the actual hub, and I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. Okay, so we got the hub out of the box, and we got the steering wheel right here. I'm so excited. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh snap! Yo! That looks baller! Oh, that's so sick, chat. I'm gonna get this screwed up, and then we can get like the full visual of what the wheel's gonna look like. Nah, this is game changer. Look, this is the horn. These are the volume buttons. We'll go over all the features once it's in the car. Alright guys, so the wheel is tightened. All the bolts have been tightened. And bro, I'm excited. I just want to throw this on the car right now, but it's dark outside and I don't want to try to attempt to throw this on the car and mess something up. So we're going to try to throw it on the car tomorrow morning and I will pick it up then.
One eternity later.
Alright boys, it's the next day. We are ready to get this wheel installed. If y'all saw, I was getting all this cleaned up. Just a little bit of lint and whatnot, but this is the whole kit. This is the actual hub, the wires that are gonna get connected. This is the, not even sure, but these are the screws that connect that to this. This is the airbag resistor. It says Madtrace on there. And then we got this, thanks for joining the Werks family. This is to put like right here and counter hold when we're torquing down the center bolt. So we're gonna, bro, it's literally like a one-time use, and look how nice it looks. It's wild that they include this. But yeah, guys, paddles are on, wheels ready to go on. So yeah, let's get the battery disconnected, get this airbag popped out, and then I'll show y'all what we gotta do to get this wheel off. But yeah, look at this, guys. We got another mod as well, a roll cage extinguisher. It was the same one that I had mounted at the seat, but I just got a roll cage mount for it. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comments. I think I really like it on the roll cage. At first, I didn't know how I felt about it, but the more I'm looking at it, the more like I see it. I think it's cool. So back here, I already got the panel taken off. We're gonna take this negative terminal off right there, and we're gonna get to work. So let me go get some tools to get this wheel removed and the negative terminal off, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so we got the battery unhooked. I took off the negative terminal, and I got it wrapped away. And I put a towel here. So that's the first thing y'all are gonna wanna do to do anything with the steering wheel, or if y'all are popping off the airbag, just because you don't want the airbag to pop up in your face, right? So now we're just gonna leave this door open, let some of the power get juiced out of the car. I'll wait like 5-10 minutes, and then I'll get this airbag off. All right, chat. We got the airbag out. Steering wheel is looking like this right now. So we're gonna get this bolt popped off. We're gonna get all the plugs unconnected, and we're gonna get that steering wheel out of here so we can get this steering wheel installed. Hell yeah. All right, so we got all the plugs undone. The main one for the wiring and the buttons, and then this is the steering heater core. So now we can take off this bolt and the steering wheel will pop off. All right, boys, V-Nate pulled up.
So,
I needed a 16mm to get the bolt out, so he had to bring me one. And we got the steering wheel off finally. So now we're gonna get these side pieces popped off, and we gotta plug in this little resistor that Madtrace sent us right here. So let me get the covers popped off and I'll show y'all what it looks like behind there. Alright guys, so we got the two center column pieces off. This shit was a pain in the fucking ass, bro. But now we got this plug off. This is a plug that's gonna go to the airbag, and we got this resistor that we're gonna plug in. If y'all can see that little notch on there, there's only one way it can go in, so there's no way to really mess it up. Alright boys, we took a little bit of an intermission, but we got everything set up. Got the counter hold handle screwed in. I got the two plugs plugged in, and then I want to shout out the boy Thousands. He told me to put this in there, and it's gonna get rid of the cruise control malfunction. So let's see if it works. I plugged it in on this side, and he said after you torque it down, just throw it in there. So we're gonna try it out.
let's see.
Yeah, just right there. Yo, look at that, chat. First look on the car. It's all mounted up. We good. We got that. The red anodized right there to match the red anodized on the fire extinguisher, bro. You chilling now. Let's go. So now let's plug up the battery. and see what kind of error codes we got. Alright, chat. Battery's all plugged up. Wheel is on the car. Does this turn on anything? No. Oh shit! We got lights. We got lights. Parking lamps on. Okay, okay. That looks sick. Now, that's on auto. Oh, sorry, signal. Any faults? Set time and date. No faults! Literally not one fault, chat. Hold on. Alright, ready? Let's see if the buttons work, chat. M1. Oh. Wait, they're not working right now. We have to drive a little bit, so. Trunk open. Alright, let's get this trunk closed and then we'll go for a little drive and see if these buttons work. Look, no notifications. Type. No codes. Oh, I didn't show you that. Look.
Yeah, no, that's what I was gonna ask.
I got my car in there.
How'd you do that?
Coded.
How'd you code it?
I had this guy code it for me, and this guy made the image for me. It's pretty sick, huh?
When did you do that?
I think like maybe 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. Not too long ago.
That'd be sick.
Yeah. Matches the whole vibe. Yeah.
M1.
M2. There we go. Back to M1. Yes, sir.
It's working, it's working.
Oh, yeah, bro.
Race car mode.
Oh no. That's not good.
Uh-oh.
Look, we got a little malfunction, chat.
God, please, no! 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 No!
Close. Active blind spot detection malfunction.
Oh, we'll figure this out. See what this is.
Yeah, shouldn't be too bad.
Wi-Fi is disconnected.
Okay, cleared itself.
Let's see now.
It might have been because this shit was on, but I turned it off, so let's see. If not, I think I might have to take out that little box I put in there. Like the little one in here.
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh, the throttle see. Oh, I like that. That's hard.
Feels like a real race car, yeah?
It does, bro.
Race car vibes. F80 race car.
Yeah, it does. Here, let me try that show one more time. Next to this dude. Right in the blind spot area. And signal. Override his. Yeah, we're good, yeah. No codes. Fuck yeah, baby!
Nothing. We are good.
You need one now. C63?
C63.
We gotta get a roll cage in the C63 first.
Race car. Fire extinguisher.
3 competition.
They are clicky.
They feel good. They might not be as clicky as my old ones, but still pretty satisfying.
Smooth.
Yeah.
Like butter.
Oh, we didn't see if the horn works. Ready? Let's fucking go.
Small ass horn right there on the logo.
Hey, did you hear those turbos?
Yeah, I like it. I love that.
Oh! Okay. Yeah, that is.
it's a dial.
Oh! That's sick as fuck, dog!
The dial's working now. It's
I
working.
just literally turn it up and down depending on what kind of speed I want to go, bro. Literally.
at that.
That's so freaking sick. Okay, now it's a 10 out of 10, bro. 100%.
The rating changed so fast.
Had to, bro. There's no way. Chat, let me know what y'all think. It is a Madtrace steering wheel from JQ Werks with the Sparko. I think it's the L360, the steering wheel with the suede finish. But yeah, bro. This matches all the Alcantara right here too. All this. Fuck yeah. Who got stars in their race car, bro?
Okay.
I don't know anyone who got stars in their race car.
Steering wheel. Turbo kick in.
Later.
Alright boys, so we got the wheel installed and now we're headed to a homie's house. And as I went over earlier with my homie Vine, all the functions are working too now, so we're honestly chilling. Not break my lip on this road. Alright chat, we made it to John's apartment. What do you think?
I'm inspired.
Bro's inspired. Would you do one?
Yeah, I think so, bro. That shit feels like a toy, man.
And I got the BMW logo in that bitch too.
Nah, it's crazy.
GG's, right?
GG's, bro.
And we got the roll cage up here, chat. Y'all haven't seen the fire extinguisher yet, but that's the fire extinguisher. Looks sick. Paint match white too. Got the BBS's, bro. Sheesh.
Bro,
What happened? What are you gonna show me?
just look, bro. Well, this one alone.
Damn, that's wild. Bro's doors are broken.
This one.
Oh no.
Yeah, bro.
At least you can still drive the car, you know what I mean? It's not really
Yes,
bugging
bro.
you out.
I don't want to take it out too much, so I was just scared.
Damn, the cars look sick.
You know I'm finna go